Hello Sudoku friends, welcome today in the daily newspaper on Saturday, May the 23rd, 2020. We have only one regular Sudoku, a medium Sudoku, but in this daily newspaper there is also an additional with several extra Sudokus. I think 5 or 6. So we have a lot of Sudokus to go. But first I will solve this medium Sudoku, high priority. So let's get started. Alright, let me see. Let me scan this whole Sudoku. Which number I can use? How about the 2 in this row, a 2 in the row below? So in the last row, the only place for a 2 should be here. And we have a 6 in the last row, 6 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for a 6 should be here or there. But I see here 6. No 6 there. 6 should be here. 6 in this column. 6 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for a 6 should be here or there. But I see here 6. No 6 there. 6 should be here. In this big square, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 6. We see here 6. So no 6 in these 2 boxes. There's 6. No 6 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 6 should be here. 6 in this column. 6 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 3 places for a 6 should be here, here or there. But I see here 6. No 6 there. There 6. No 6 there. Only place for the 6 should be here. 6 in the third column, 6 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 3 places for a 6 should be here, here or there. But I see here 6, no 6 there. Here also a 6, no 6 there. Only 1 place left for the 6 should be here. And all the 6s are used, I can see. Yes, alright. And then the 2. Yes. In this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 2. I see here 2, no 2 in those 2 boxes, so the 2 could be here or could be there. So in the middle column, we have a 2 in one of those boxes. Here in this column, we have a 2 over there. So in that column, the only 2 places for a 2 should be here or there. But I see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 2 in the first row, 2 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for a 2 should be here or there. But I see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And then I cannot continue with the 2. Need to wait. We have a 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 2 places for a 3 should be here or there. But I see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. The 3 in this column, the 3 in that column, so in the column between, the only place for a 3 should be here. 3 missing numbers in this big square. The 3 missing numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing, the 7 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 5, 7, 8. 5, 7, 8. We see here 7, no 7 there. In those 2 boxes, 1 box left for the 7 should be here. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. Remember that. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait for more information later. 5 and 8. That means the other 2 empty boxes in the last column, 5 and 8, are the numbers 1 and 4. 1 and 4. 1 and 4. Can I fill this yet? No, 1 and 4 I cannot fill. 1 and 4. Alright. 3, 3. 5 and 8. 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. 3. Yes, a 3 in this row, a 3 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only place for a 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for a 3 should be here or there. But we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 3 in the third column, 3 in the first column. So in the column between the second column, the only 3 places for a 3 should be here, here or there. But I see here 3, no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. The only place for a 3 should be here. And all the 3's are used. I can see, yes. 3. How about right. In the first column, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers. The missing numbers are the 1, the 7, the 8, and the 4. And I see here the 7, so no 7 there. In this box, I see there 7, so no 7 here. Here also a 7, so no 7 there. The only place for the 7 should be there. So the 1 is missing, and the 8 is missing, and the 4 is missing. And I cannot fill this yet. I need to wait. The 4, no, I need the number, yes. 1, 4, 9. 7, 8. How about 4, 8 and the 9? I need a 9. 9, 9. The 8 and the 4. How about these 3 numbers in this row? The missing numbers are the 1, the 7, and the 8. 1, 7, and the 8. I see here the 1 and the 7, so no 1 and the 7 in this box. That means a 1 digit left should be the 8. Here we have the 1 and the 7. We see here 1, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. two numbers left in this big square for the number 7 and 8. We have a 7 there, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. Two numbers left in this column for the numbers 8 and 7. We have 8 here, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7 in this row, 7 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place for a 7 should be here. 7 in this row, 7 in that row. So in the middle row, the only two places for a 7 should be here or there. But I see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. And all the 7s are used. I can see. Yes, alright. How about... Yes, these three numbers in the middle row. The three missing numbers in the middle row are the numbers 5, 2, and 8. 5, 2, and 8. I see here an 8, so no 8 there. I see there an 8, so no 8 there. So the only place for the 8 should be there. The 2 and the 5 are left. The 2 and the 5, can I fill this yet? No, need to wait. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. Need to wait. How about the 8 in the last column? 8 in that column, so the column between. The only two places for the 8 should be here or there, but I see here an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be here. 8 in the first row, 8 in the second row. So in the third row, the only two places for the 8 should be here or there, but I see here an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be here. 8 in this row, 8 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 8 should be here. 8 in the first column, 8 in the second column. So in the third column, the only two places for the 8 should be here or there. But I see here an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be here. And all the 8s are used. I can see. Yes, number 4. How about this number? This number left supposed to be the 5. One number left in this big square. How about these two numbers in this last row? The numbers are the 9 and the 4. We have a 4 here, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 9 goes there. One number left in this big square for the number 1. One number left in this last column for the number 4. One number left in this column for the number 5. No, 5 we have. This should be the 3. The 1. The 1 is missing here. Yes, the 1. And how about these two numbers? Can I fill this yet? The 5 and the 9. No, I need more information. The 5 and the 9. 5 and the 9. 5 and the 2. These three numbers. The missing numbers are the 1, the 5, and the 4. 1, 5, and the 4. No, I cannot. 1, 5. Yes, we have a 4 here, so no 4 there. Here also a 4, so no 4 there. The only place for the 4 should be here. The 1 and the 5 are missing. 1 and the 5. In this column, 1 and the 5. 1 and the 5. 1, 5, and the 9 is, how about 5? These two numbers in this column, the first column, the 1 and the 1 and the 4 are missing. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row above. The only place for the 1 should be here. Now 1 number left in this column for the number 5. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 9. We have a 1 here, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 5. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 1 number left in this row, the first row for the number 1. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1, 2, number 4 and the number 9. Can I fill this yet? No. How about this row? 1 missing number in this row for the number 5. 5 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 4. Now we have a 5 there, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 9. Now we have a 4 here, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 9. We have a 9 here, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 5 and 2. We have a 2 here, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Finish in 16 minutes. Alright, for a Sudoku Medium. Could be faster anyway. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you for watching. And yeah, I will see you later with the other Sudokus in the additional. So thank you again, and bye bye.